Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will explore how to perform data cleansing using Apache Spark. Data cleansing is a crucial step in data processing, ensuring that your datasets are accurate, consistent, and usable. Ready to delve into the world of Spark? Let's get started. First, let's define what data cleansing is. Data cleansing, or data scrubbing, involves identifying and correcting errors in the data to improve its quality. This can include removing duplicates, handling missing values, and ensuring consistency in data formats. We will use Apache Spark's powerful data frame API for our cleansing tasks. Before we dive into the code, make sure you have the Spark environment set up. You can use Spark in a local environment, a cluster, or as part of cloud services like AWS or Azure. Next, let's load some sample data. We have a CSV file containing various user records. Let's read this data into a Spark data frame. Once we have our data frame, we can quickly view its contents by using the show method. This also gives us a sense of the data we are dealing with. Now that we have an overview of our data, let's check for missing values. It's important to identify columns that contain null or missing values, as they can lead to inaccurate analyses. In our example, we might find some columns with significant missing data. There are a few strategies to deal with this. We could drop the rows, fill missing values with a default value, or even use statistical methods like mean or median. Let's take a look at how to drop rows with missing values. This can be helpful if a row contains too many missing fields and we don't want that data in our dataset. Another common issue we encounter is duplicate data. Duplicates can skew your analyses, so it's critical to identify and remove them. Let's see how to do this with Spark. In the last step, we identified the duplicate rows. Now, let's go ahead and remove them from our data frame. Another important aspect of data cleansing is ensuring data consistency. This can involve standardizing formats, such as ensuring that all phone numbers or email addresses follow the same pattern. Consistency also applies to categorical data. For example, we might have different variations of the same category, such as New York, and New York. Let's correct these inconsistencies. Text fields may also contain inconsistencies like extra spaces. We can trim those spaces to maintain data integrity. Let's also consider how to handle outliers in our data, which may affect our analyses. Outliers can drastically skew results and lead to wrong conclusions. Data type consistency is also crucial. Mismatched data types can lead to errors in computations and analyses. Finally, once we have cleansed our data, it's good practice to save it back into a more permanent storage format. Let's save our cleansed data frame into a new CSV file. To recap, we covered various important steps in data cleansing: handling missing values, removing duplicates, ensuring consistency in categorical data, processing text fields, managing outliers, and confirming data types. Thanks for joining us in this detailed exploration of data cleansing with Apache Spark. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you now have a better understanding of how to pre-process your data effectively. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials on Apache Spark and other data engineering topics.